Welcome to help screen. So if you having error code 524 on your Roblox, first thing is go to your Roblox account or go to roblox.com and sign in into your account. Now here, select the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now you should be able to see here settings. So now here on the settings, you can just simply go for privacy and content restrictions. Now here, go for visibility and private servers. Now on your private servers, select on it. And the best option over here is by selecting everyone. And now let's go ahead and select the back icon. And from here, go for visibility. And now from here, just simply adjust this based on your comfortability because this will let people know which experience are you in. So pretty much I recommend I'm going for this one over here. And now go back and go back again. And now from here, the last option that you have, if it still doesn't work, just simply go for the content maturity. So make sure to adjust the content maturity to mild so you could fix the join issue, or you could go for minimal if you prefer. But if your account is on restricted, I don't recommend that. You could go for mild. And there you go. And after that, just simply go to a game and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.